Hi everyone. Welcome back to Speak Up English. Learn from zero. I'm Anna, and today we'll learn how to speak English naturally at work. Do you know how to greet your coworkers or how to ask your boss for help politely? Don't worry. I'll show you easy and real English sentences that people use every day at the office. Let's learn together and help John speak naturally at work.
I'm ready, Anna. Let's do it.
Okay, John, let's start with greetings at work. In the morning, you can say, good morning, or just morning.
Morning, Anna.
Perfect. And then you can ask, how are you today? Or, how's your day going?
How are you today?
I'm great, thanks. Now, if you want to sound more natural, say it like this. Morning. How's your day going? Short and friendly.
Morning. How's your day going?
Excellent. That sounds natural and confident. At work, people speak fast and short. Good morning becomes just morning. It's friendly and sounds like a native speaker. Now, John, imagine you need help with a report. You can say, can you help me with this file? Or even shorter, hey, can you give me a hand?
Give me a hand? What does that mean?
Good question. Give me a hand means help me. For example, can you give me a hand with this report?
Can you give me a hand with this report?
Perfect. That's how people really talk at work. Now practice both. Can you help me with this file? Can you give me a hand with this report?
Got it. Sounds much more natural.
Next, let's learn how to speak politely with your manager. Let's imagine your boss asks, "Hi, John. Can you finish the report today?"
Yes, I can.
That's okay, but let's make it more natural. You can say, "Sure, I'll get it done by this afternoon." Or, "No problem. I'll send it to you later today."
Sure, I'll get it done by this afternoon.
Perfect. Notice how polite and confident that sounds. Notice how polite and confident that sounds. Use I'll get it done equals I will complete it. Use by this afternoon equals deadline. So it's polite and professional. Now, let's talk about meetings. When you join a meeting, you can say, "Good morning, everyone," or "Let's get started."
Let's get started. I hear that a lot.
Exactly. It means, "Let's begin." And if you want to give your opinion, you can say, "I think we should," or "Maybe we can try."
I think we should finish the design today.
Nice one, John. That's perfect. At work, it's important to sound confident but polite. Let's get started. Start the meeting. I think we should share ideas politely. And after the meeting, it's lunchtime. Here's how you can invite your coworker. Are you free for lunch? Or want to grab lunch together?
Want to grab lunch together? Sounds fun.
Yes. Wanna means want to. So it's more casual, friendly.
Do you want to have lunch together?
Perfect. You sound just like a native speaker now.
Okay, it's the end of the day. You can say, good job today. See you tomorrow. Have a good evening.
Have a good evening.
Nice. And you can reply, you too.
You too.
Simple and friendly. Always smile when you say goodbye at work. So, today we learned how to speak naturally at work, from greetings, asking for help, talking to your boss, meetings, lunch, and saying goodbye. Let's review quickly. Morning, how's your day going? Can you give me a hand with this file? I'll get it done by this afternoon. Let's get started. Want to grab lunch together? Have a good evening.
Thanks, Anna. I feel more confident now.
You did great, John, and so did everyone watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and speak up every day.